Today we're at the Alamo Inn and Suites, right across Catella from Pixar Place. The laundry is in the pool area. So if you need to do laundry, it's just the one machine. But there they are, one washer, one dryer. And then here, it's a hot tub. Get in here even when it's raining. It's all nice and covered. Pool is not covered though, but it looks lovely. First we'll start with, there's a little patio in front of your door. Look at that. It faces, I think that's really cute. I haven't seen that before. It faces an inner courtyard with parking. The office is up there. So the pool's across there. How cute is that? You can just, it's very quiet in here. Sit outside on your patio. Here we go into the room. We have a king room this time. Walk right into the bedroom. Plantation shutters. A sitting area. Desk. Single cup coffee maker. Mirror. There's a TV. Nice big chest of drawers. Look down in here. Even more drawers on both sides. Lovely. Mini fridge, microwave. They were both unplugged when we came in, so I had to plug it in, get everything going. And there's for if you need to hang something. And then a nice, simple little bathroom. Sink, hair dryer, toilet, tub shower combo with Paya. I think we saw that already this week. Paya brand. Ingredients. So, quick room tour. It's very quick, very small, but very nice. We've only been here a few minutes, but we're already super impressed.